Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into a topic that is essential for any marketer or salesperson using HubSpot. MQL versus SQL. Sounds like an alphabet soup, right? But trust me, understanding these terms can make a huge difference in your marketing and sales efforts. So let's break it down. First things first, let's talk about MQL. MQL stands for Marketing Qualified Leads. Think of MQLs as the folks who have shown some interest in your product or service. They might have filled out a form on your website, downloaded an ebook, or subscribed to your newsletter. Basically, they are potential customers who are flirting with the idea of doing business with you. Now, just because someone becomes an MQL doesn't mean they are ready to buy. That's where SQLs come in. SQL stands for Sales Qualified Leads. These are the cream of the crop, the golden nuggets if you will. SQLs are MQLs that have been vetted by the sales team and deemed ready to make a purchase. So, how do you distinguish between an MQL and an SQL? It all comes down to qualifications criteria. Let's start with the MQLs. The marketing teams typically sets criteria to identify MQLs. This could include things like website visits, form submissions, or engagement with marketing email. On the other hand, SQL qualification criteria are more focused on readiness to buy. This might include factors like budget, authority to purchase, and specific pain points that your product or service can address. The key here is alignment between marketing and sales. Marketing's job is to attract and nurture leads until they are ready to be passed on to sales as SQLs. And SQL's job is to work their magic and turn those SQLs into happy customers. But wait, there is more. This is where HubSpot comes into play. HubSpot's marketing automations and CRM tools make it easier than ever to track and manage your MQLs and SQLs. With HubSpot, you can set up workflows to automatically score leads based on their behavior, making it clear when they're ready to be passed on to sales. Plus, HubSpot CRM allows your sales teams to track interactions with leads, ensuring they have all the information they need to close the deal. Remember, understanding these terms and how they apply to your business can supercharge your marketing and sales efforts. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notifications bell so you never miss an episode. Until next time, happy marketing and selling.